All right, welcome to the last error that we're going to be looking at. This is runtime error. So what is runtime error? Runtime error basically means your program runs, it executes, and then along the way it crashes, right? Your program just crashes as it's executing, right? In the execution stages, it just crashes. So in order to show you guys what I'm talking about, I'm gonna import the scanner here, right? So import java.util.scanner. Right? I'm gonna create a scanner object. I'm gonna call this in is equal to new scanner. Why do I keep mixing that up? New scanner and then system.in. So here it is. I created a new scanner, and then I'm going to create a string called sname here, and then I'm going to say enter your name, right? Enter your name. Okay. And then I'm going to say sname is equal to in.next line. Okay. And then I'm going to create another one called ih right here. And then I'm just going to copy this and paste it here, right? Enter your age, right? And then this one is going to be next int. And then I just want to create something else. Let me say gender right here, right? So let's do it as gender, like this. All right. And then instead of s, we're gonna say s gender, enter your gender, right? Yes. And then at the very end, we're gonna say we're just gonna print out those and then leave a little space and add the ih. Sorry, okay, I forgot to change this one to be ih. There we go. And then we're gonna print out the gender as well. Right? So I just want to show you how runtime error works. Okay, so save, and then I'm going to run this. Okay. Right. So here's our program. It's running, right? It's running. So it's running. And then enter your age. Oh, sorry, enter your name, right? So then I enter my name right here. And then I'm gonna enter my age, maybe 15, right? And then okay, so it just stopped right there. Okay, it just stopped. Why did it stop? Okay, let's change that one to next. Java has some weird bugs. Enter your name, my age 15, and it says enter my gender. It just says next line. Okay, let me change this one to next. Okay, let's try this again. So 15, and then enter your gender. I am a boy, right? So here it is, Yentla 15 boy. Okay, so there's our output. Now let's try this again, and we're gonna try and get a runtime error. Right? So enter your name. Right? So here it is. I entered my nickname, and then it says enter your age. Right? So it's expecting a number. Right? So what happens now if I don't type a number inside it? Not to be more specific, it's expecting an integer. Right? So what happens if I type maybe 10, right? Like this, like I write 10 in word form. Right? So when I hit enter, as you can see, oh, that's the other word for runtime errors. It is exceptions, right? Exception error. There we go. I now remembered it. So what happened there, right? So the first time we ran it, everything went smoothly, right? The program completed, no errors whatsoever. But now when we doing it for the second time, the program crashes. Right? So it crashes because we wrote a string when it was expecting an integer. So this type of errors are called runtime errors because the program is perfect. However, it crashes because the user decided to give it the wrong thing. It decided to give it a wrong data type or something like that. So these type of errors that you get during runtime, these are called runtime errors or exception errors. All right. So this is the concept of exceptions and runtime errors. Okay. And as you progress, you guys will learn how to deal with runtime errors to make sure that something like this does not crash the program, right? Because it's quite annoying if your program just crashes because you typed a string instead of a number. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys and explain to you guys what a runtime error is and how it works, and when do you spot it, right? Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.